Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a house. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a shape of a big house. It has the roof on the top with 2 floors like this. Amazing! Now let's draw the different rooms on the ground floor. Let's draw the living room. Draw a big sofa like this. Now I draw a floor lamp like this. I draw the kitchen, a refrigerator, then a cabinet with a sink and a faucet. And an oven. On the first floor, I draw a bathroom. Then I draw a bathtub. Then I draw a shower head like this. And a toilet. Finally, I draw a towel on a wall mount. Finally, let's draw the bedroom. I draw a large bed with pillows. And a nightstand with some lamps. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the sofa with this marker. Orange. Then I use yellow for the lamp. Then light green. Light blue. And gray for the oven. Red. Blue. Gray. Then I use brown for the cabinet. I use this marker for the refrigerator. I colored the bathtub with light blue, gray, yellow, fuchsia, brown for the bed. I used purple and pink, light purple, pink, green. For the nightstands, I used light brown. I love it! I paint the roof with red. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, pink for the living room, mint for the bathroom, light blue, yellow for the kitchen, excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.